Today we starting the day at one of my second homes. To you it's a junkyard. To me it's the dealership. You know, you come here, you get OEM parts. I'm about to say they moved the motherfucker. They are not trying to help my foot, I tell you that much. Looks like all the OBSs are gone. Almost forgot about that. I need to go over there and see what they got. For now, I came over here to get this. Hopefully it comes off just as easy as mine did. Maybe it will. Is there another bolt somewhere? There is. Look at that. There's a hidden little bolt. Oh, and it has a thing on it. Give me a second, people. I don't have the tools today. Let's see if I can use something. How you do it, folks? Gotta improvise. I used this bolt. I used this bolt that I found on the ground to get that off. Would you look at that? Where'd it go? I wanted to keep it. Where the hell did it go? Okay, whatever. It disappeared. One thing down. I forgot. Like I come here and I forget all the other shit I be needing. But boom. Sometimes I come to the junkyard for inspiration on future cars to buy. Oh, look at that. Awesome. I need this shock. I am not in the capacity to take this off right now. I mean, I guess I could be in the capacity to take it off. Look, they already cut the sway bar link. Awesome. I think that let's see how hard this strut is to get to, if at all. It's probably super duper fucking easy. Oh, of course it ain't. Well, sorta. It's under there. So you gotta remove the cowl to get under there. But I think I'll let the junkyard take it off for me. Right? If it costs me the same amount, I'll let them fucking do it. Wow. No more OBSs. They are completely gone. They got a couple bullshit ones over here, but And I couldn't get what I needed because I didn't have this fucking socket. Because I couldn't find this hex set, I couldn't pull what I needed off of one of these pleasant OBSs they have here. And this is like sad, man. Like, them Jones are becoming harder and harder to come by, it seems. Hold on, wait. There's a grill. Is it stripped? Is the grill stripped? It is. The grill is stripped. See how good condition this grill is. It's better than the one I got. What's this? Makes no difference if I don't have it. But no screws. So the irony, right? I need this, but I believe this is for this side. Yeah, fits much better over there. And just like that, what I need isn't here anymore. Yeah, this headlight, it's not coming out. I tried. Oh, wait. This is it. This is a crappy light. I mean, I think it just makes sense to go ahead and spend the money on a new set of lights. Then I'm gonna be waiting. This John has nothing. This is old. This is old, man. Those door panels did not come off of this one. Also gonna need some of those. Look at the OBSs. And that is it. They don't even have many newer versions of Suburbans and Tahoes. The Junkyards. Like, they charge you so much for these little knick-knack pieces. Oh, look at that, a bumper, a front bumper. That's not too bad. This one here, look at the Aviator with the nice little front bumper. But they just, they charge you, they want to charge you so much for these little knick-knack parts. But when they junk the truck or when they junk the car, they junk it with all that shit on it. You know? Like, come on, man, cut me a break on this shit. So there goes that. Nothing else for me here except that strut, which I'm going to pay to let the yard take it out. Yep. All right.